Good morning, and welcome to your morning clarity meditation. I'm here to help you start this day with focus and intention. In the next 6 minutes, we'll clear away your mental fog, ground you in this present moment, and set a clear direction for your day ahead. This is your time to transition from sleep consciousness to awakened awareness, from weekend mode to purposeful engagement with your week. Find a comfortable seated position with your spine naturally upright. Close your eyes if that feels right, or soften your gaze downward. Let's begin this journey towards clarity together. We'll start with an awakening breath sequence to signal to your body and mind that it's time to emerge into full awareness. Take 3 deep, intentional breaths. Breathe in through your nose for 4 counts. Hold for 2. And exhale through your mouth for 6. Feel each exhale releasing any grogginess, any scattered thoughts from the weekend, any uncertainty about the day ahead. Now, let's do 3 energizing breaths. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, let out a soft ah sound. This is your internal wake-up call. Continue with natural breathing now. And notice how your breath flows effortlessly when you don't force it. With each breath, you're becoming more present, more alert, more ready for the day. Picture your mind as a snow globe that has been shaken up overnight. All those thoughts, worries, dreams, and to-dos are like snowflakes swirling around in a beautiful but chaotic dance. Now imagine setting the globe down on a stable surface and simply watching it settle. You're not trying to force the snow to settle faster. You're just witnessing the natural process of clarity emerging. With each breath, the mental snow settles a little more. The scattered thoughts begin to find their place. Behind all that mental activity, there's a calm, clear space that was always there, your natural state of awareness. As the snow settles, you begin to see more clearly. You can see what's truly important today versus what's just mental noise. You can sense which thoughts deserve your attention and which ones can simply float by. This clear space is always available to you, even when your mind gets busy again later today. Remember that this clarity is just one conscious breath away. Warning, now from this place of clarity, bring forward your intention for today. Not your entire to-do list, but one clear intention that captures how you want to move through this day. What energy do you want to bring to this day? How do you want to show up in your interactions? What quality of presence do you want to offer to your work, your relationships, your challenges? Maybe your intention is to be patient or focused or open to possibilities. Maybe it's to approach everything with curiosity rather than stress. Trust whatever arises. See this intention like a bright, steady light in the center of your cleared mind. It's your North Star for today. Something to return to whenever you feel scattered or uncertain. Take a moment and thank yourself for these 6 minutes of clarity. Notice how different you feel now compared to when you started. You created space between sleep and action, between reaction and response. As you prepare to open your eyes and begin your day, carry this clarity with you like a gentle companion. Your intention is set, your mind is clear, and you're ready to make this day not just productive, but meaningful. When you're ready, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes. Welcome to this day. You're ready for whatever it brings.